What's up, guys? West Coast Picks here, and today I got this cool little Corbin 160/30. This is a 30mm hardened shackle, made in Italy, 4-pin padlock. And cool little Corbin keys it came with. I like that. This is the box it came in. It was $5. And it says security padlock. I don't know what that means, but it also says with pin tumbler cylinder, like it's a selling feature. So I think this thing is kind of old. It says here on the side that Corbin is trademark owned by and used under license from Emhart Industries. So I didn't know that. Don't know if that's still the case, or maybe back when that thing was new that was the case. I don't know. No idea. But let's try to get into it. Notice these pins are flat bottomed, which is pretty strange. Don't think I've ever seen flat bottom key pins before. Maybe this thing was pinned up wrong or something. I don't know. Let's try it out. Go. So I didn't feel any security pins, but it's very hard to place your pick on these flat bottomed pins. And working around that crazy little wording, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty damn crazy. Anyway, that was the Corbin 160/30. Later, guys.